This is a large digital wall clock with remote control. Inside the box are the following: large digital clock, power cable and adapter, remote control with batteries, mounting holes guide, and user's manual. Here are the product features of this digital wall clock. This clock is designed with power plugs so you don't have to change the batteries often. There's two keyholes for easy wall mounting and a fold-out back stand for tabletop or shelf placement. It is easy to set up. You can easily set up clock with buttons on the device or remote control. This large digital clock can show the time with 12 or 24-hour display, date, month, day, and indoor temperature display in Celsius or Fahrenheit. The LED digits and letters have 6 different single-segment color patterns plus 4 different multi-color patterns. A hand remote always allows you to change the colors. This clock features a 4-level adjustable brightness display. You can easily adjust manually to a comfortable brightness by using the remote control, allowing you to have this in the bedroom and sleep without disturbing glare. This large display clock also features count up timer or countdown timer. You can also choose alarm mode to choose every day, Monday to Friday, and Saturday and Sunday, and 3 alarm ringtones is available on hourly chime. This is a large digital wall clock with remote control.